Welcome Aquarius to my channel Tarot Queen 777. Let's dive into your weekly reading from November 28th to December 4th for love and career. So let's first check your cards, the energy for your love life. You've got keep the door open. Don't be so focused on a closed door that you don't see the ones which open for you. So take new opportunities and try to imbibe a fresh perspective on old problems. You know, that's what the cards are telling you to do. Now let's pick three cards in the past for your love life, three cards in the present, three cards in the future, your main challenge. Let's clarify those cards and then let's check your person's intention, Aquarius. You've got the Seven of Pentacles, the King of Cups, the Sun. You have the Page of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, Temperance. You have the Ten of Wands. You have the Knight of Pentacles, and you have the Two of Wands. And your main challenge is the Emperor. Your main challenge is kind of trying to gain control, kind of recalibrating yourself, centering yourself, kind of trying to find your ground in an overwhelm of emotions. Um, it you come from a period, the King of Cups, the Sun, from a period of innocent playfulness and a lot of love overflowing, a lot of emotions. And you are presently in a time of moderation and balance, in the relationship. And going forward, the Ten of Wands, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Two of Wands shows that you seek balance. You seek the road ahead. There may be certain aspects of the relationship that you need clarity about, and the road ahead is one of exploration, self discovery, exploration. Let's clarify each of these cards. Let's clarify the Emperor. Let's clarify the Emperor. You've got Justice, you have the Two of Wands, and you have the Queen of Cups. A lot of emotions, a lot of things, like I said before, need to come into balance. Maybe there's an overwhelm of emotions, overwhelm of romantic energy. The Seven of Pentacles is clarified by Temperance, the Eight of Cups, and the Six of Cups. For many of you, you could have walked away from a situation, or there might be distance, or you may not be on talking terms. It might be a no contact kind of situation. The King of Cups is clarified by the Magician, the Chariot, and the Devil. There is definitely a lot of attraction, and the cards are asking you to take a leap of faith, to kind of take a leap of faith. The Sun is clarified by the Six of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords, and the Ten of Cups. So you see this person as an equal, and there is, there is a lot of togetherness, a lot of harmonizing energy, and you seek to kind of capitalize on that. The Page of Pentacles is clarified by the Queen of Pentacles, the Two of Cups, and the King of Swords. Many of you could expect communication in this relationship, expect fresh communication, a lot of deep commitment, to this relationship. Your emotions are one of, or are of a serious nature. The Knight of Swords is clarified by the Three of Wands, the Queen of Swords, and the Nine of Swords. Okay. You kind of are a little stressed out. You seek clarity. You see there might be a period of confusion. You seek clarity. You seek answers to certain things that have been said. Maybe certain things were said which didn't go down too well with you. Some things were done that didn't go down too well with you. Temperance is clarified by the Knight of Wands, the Emperor, and the Knight of Cups. So this is also your main challenge, the Emperor. So there is a need to kind of seek control in the relationship, and both the Knight of Cups and the Knight of Wands are looking away from the Emperor. So you're kind of going away from the relationship. You're kind of getting a 360-degree view of what is on your plate and what life has offered you. You know, the Ten of Wands is clarified by the Page of Pentacles, the Fool, and the Ace of Pentacles. For those of you looking for new love, this could be a good time, talk to the person you're interested in. The Ace of Pentacles shows that this is a good time to embark on a new journey. The Fool shows, of course, that it's the first card of the Major Arcana. It shows that it's a time of new beginnings, and the Page of Pentacles facing the Fool shows that there'll be a lot of communication with whoever is on your mind. The Knight of Pentacles is clarified by the King of Cups, the Death, and the Seven of Wands. So for a lot of you, you are looking away from this over emotionality, and kind of your relationship is going through a phase of transformation. For some of you, it could also be that you are moving away from old bonds, old relationships, old ways of looking at things, and this is kind of causing you stress. This unfamiliarity of the future is causing you stress. The Two of Wands is clarified by the Two of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, and the Three of Swords. A lot of things need to come into balance. There is a period of grieving, but this grieving will only give you clarity. It'll only show you the truth and the reality of the situation. What is meant to be will stay, and what is not meant to be will not stay. What you don't see coming at you in the shadow is the Eight of Pentacles, working hard on your emotional life, on your emotional intelligence. Aquarius, that's what this week is all about. Yeah, so that's all I have for you for relationships. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you want a more personalized reading, the details are in the description box. Let's see your person's intentions towards you. You've got Judgment. So this person possibly looks at you in a very black and white kind of way, black or white kind of way. Either perfectly good or perfectly not good. Kind of extreme views, extreme judgment, So that is your person's intention towards you. Now let's pick your cards for your career. 3 cards in the past, 3 cards in the present, and 3 cards in the future for your career. You've got the 5 of Pentacles, the 8 of Wands, the Star, the Page of Wands, the 6 of Swords, the Page of Cups, the Ace of Swords, the Emperor, and the 4 of Cups. So for a lot of you, you could be coming from a period of scarcity, from a period of lack, or where you didn't have enough to meet your needs. But you're going into a period of abundance, Page of Wands and Page of Cups. Expect communication with the people you work. For those of you who want to embark on a new path, a new life, a new job, this is a good time. Things are likely to work out in your favor. And there is a period of kind of looking at the positives of the situation, kind of being positive minded. So that's all I have for you for career. Let's see what the Gita cards have to say for you, Aquarius. Let's see what the wisdom from the Gitas is. You've got next destination, just like Capricorn. So you are in a period of transformation, transition. You're going from one significant point in your life to another significant point in your life. Whatever you do now is going to decide your fate. So make the most of this moment, make the most of what you have, and be grateful. You are in a period of moving, transforming, changing, molting, so to speak, from a caterpillar to a butterfly. So, yeah, that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Stay blessed, bask in love and light. See you next week. Bye.